Yes, hello everybody. Welcome back to Forex Clubhouse. Today I'm going to show you a brand new modified volatility 75 index. Without wasting time, let us go to the settings so that you too can have this beautiful money downloading screen just like me. As you can see, this strategy contains indicators that are grouped into two windows: indicator window number 1, indicator window number 2. For the case of indicator window number 1, we have only two indicators, the stochastic oscillator and the moving average. These are so important as they will help us to give us one of the confluence when to enter the trade and when to exit the trade. So the stochastic oscillator has the following parameters: K period 60, D period 1, slowing 1, price field cross, method exponential, styles main 2 pixel, signal 2 pixel. Here you can put any color of your choice, any colors of your choice. But since we are starting to know this strategy, please just put the same colors as me so that you avoid any confusions that may rise. For the case of levels, we have 3 levels. 10, it's a buy. 55, it's a wait, or you can term it as a TP zone, and 90, it's a sell. Style 2 pixel and the color it is black. For the case of moving average, the first moving average on the indicator window number 1 has to have a period of 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 3 pixel and the color it is blue. And you click done. Since I have already saved these indicators, I just go back so that I can show you the indicator settings for the indicator window number 2. As you can see, the indicator window number 2 has many indicators up it. The first one is relative strength index and the 5 moving averages. So the relative strength index has the following parameters: period 14, apply close, style 2 pixel and the color it is white. Okay, for the case of levels, we have 3 levels in here. The first level it is 80 and we term it as our overbought. The second level is 20 and we term it as our oversold, and we have the last level which it is at 50 level and we term it as at a P. For the case of style, you can put any pixel of your choice, since pixel is just a matter of your vision. If your vision is too good, you can put even 1 pixel. If your vision is too bad, you can put up to a maximum of 4 pixel, and the color it is gray. So let's go back and see the last 5 moving averages. The first moving average for the indicator window number 2 has to have a period of 200, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, styles 3 pixel and the color it is blue. No levels are needed. We go to the second moving average on the indicator window number 2. Okay, as you can see, it has a period of 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style 3 pixel and the color it's a maroon. It's a maroon. Yeah, I think it's a maroon. The third moving average on the indicator window number 2, it has a period of 8, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, size it is 3 pixel and the color it's light green. Okay, we go to the fourth moving average, which had a period of 21, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, styles 3 pixel and the color it is black. Okay, let's go to the last moving average on the indicator window number 2. So the last moving average on the indicator number 2 has to have a period of 13, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, styles 3 pixel and the color it is green. It is green, and you put done. So once we have applied all the settings as I have just illustrated, you have to have a beautiful money downloading screen on your MT5 phone, just like me. Okay, so guys, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to turn the notification bell icon on so that you too can be the first to watch any of my video uploads. So how should you use this strategy? As you can see, okay, how to use this strategy. This strategy has rules that you have to follow if you want to succeed. Okay, the first of all, I'm going to explain how to enter your buy positions with this strategy. Rule number 1, make sure your screen it is in a zoom out mode, a zoom out, maximum zoom out mode. This is the maximum zoom in. So this is a maximum zoom out tone until the candle's colors can neither be visible. So how to enter the trade? First of all, before entering the trade, you have to make sure that your time frame it is in 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Second of all, on the indicator window number 1, the blue moving average has to close with the red moving average. Okay, has to close with this red one moving average on the indicator window number 1 on the buy zone. Okay, on the buy zone, but it has already closed here. Should I enter this trade? Yes, you should enter this trade if you are a scalper. Okay, but for who I like to swing trades, this trade I just decided to let it go since it is not on my trading plan. I've already accepted that I'm a swing trader. Okay, I'm not a scalper. I do not scalp short times. Okay, so this trade was not a good trade for me since I'm not a scalper. Okay, so after you have already got the first conference, you go to the indicator window number 2. For the indicator window number 2, the blue moving average, or you can term it as the moving average with a period of 200, okay, has to close with these other moving averages. For buy positions, it has to cross, okay, it has to cross on below or around the area of 20 level, okay, of 20 level. So once we have already got all the settings clear, like the first conference on the indicator window number 1 supports you to buy, and the second conference on the indicator window number 2 supports you also to buy, that's when you enter the trade for long-term buys. The trade can last even up to 1 day. So this strategy, it's all good for scalpers, it's all good for intraday traders, it's all good for swing traders. Okay, let me give you a little example on the below, and hopefully at the end of this video I will show you a live trading example on how I use this strategy to grow my small $100 account, and I'm going to show you that live example. Okay, let me give you some example. This was a trade that I took personally on Saturday, but I forgot to screen recording since I was Saturday. I was busy with watching Manchester United versus Manchester City, so I forgot. But this trade is a trade that I took on Saturday. As you can see, as soon as the first conference on the indicator window number 1, the blue moving averages that closed with this red moving average closed on the buy zone. And the second conference on the indicator window number 2, once the blue moving average or the 200 moving average period closed with these other moving averages. Okay, you can see here I have 2 conferences. The indicator window number 1 supports me. The indicator window number 2 also supports me and it tells me I have to buy. For those that know even patterns or know about the supply and demand, you can agree with me that on the screen we can see a minor triple bottom, signifying us we should also take a buy. So I had 3 conferences when entering this trade, and I entered it with full margin, and to be surprised, my weekend was good thanks to this trade. That's why I always tell my fans, I always tell my students that we should not trade every day. We should trade only on good setups. Okay, like today on Monday, you can see here there's no a perfect setup yet. So what? I'm not trading. I'm just staying out of the market. But this one alone trade which I took on Saturday, this one trade alone, okay, which I took on this Saturday, it made me some incredible. So let's go to the second factor on when to sell, or on when to have our sell entries with this strategy. The same 2 rules apply. You must be on a maximum zoom out, and the time frame to enter this trade is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so when to enter the set trades on this strategy, you have to have 2 conferences again. First of all, the first conference should be on the indicator window number 1. And the blue moving average on the indicator window number 1, or the RSI, should cross each other on the level above or around 90 area. That's your first conference. Okay, and the second conference it should be on the indicator window number 2. The blue moving average, or the 200 EMA, has to close with these color bright moving averages on the level above 80 or around, or nearly around 80, but should be perfectly crossed together. Okay, as you can see, this was the trade that occurred the couple of hours back, but I missed this trade. I don't know how I missed it. Since this strategy is not a price action, this strategy is just based on the indicators, so you have to be on the screen on the screen a lot of time. So if you're not on the screen and the crossover occurs, then the trade runs just without you. So for those that don't know price actions, this is the kind of hardships that I know that you are all encountered with, that you have to stay glued to the screen for many hours, which is can be sometimes very tiresome. Okay, once the crossover occurs both on the indicators above the 80 level, that is when you should enter your trades. But let me tell you one thing, my fans, my friends, my buddies, my family. This strategy is not a holy grail strategy. If the crossovers occur and the strategy and the price does not move in your desired or in your predicted direction, you should not, I repeat, you should never let your losses run for a long time. Cut your losses short and wait for another perfect entry. Since let me tell you things, the market does not move based on the indicators. The market does not move based on head and shoulder patterns. The market does not move based on double tops patterns. What moves the market is the amount betted, or its amount bidded. I don't know the perfect English for this, but it's the amount between the bulls and the bears. If you were anticipating for a sell on this trade, for example, okay, you wanted the crossover occurred, and you said, yes, this trade is a perfect trade for me to enter the sales trades, and it's okay since that's what our strategy says. But what if it does not obey our rules and it goes backwards? You accept your loss and you go back, since what moves the market is the law of supply and demand. So guys, I hope that you have already enjoyed how to use this strategy. If any questions arise when using this strategy, I will leave my number on the description below. You can check me personally on my WhatsApp number or comment directly on the YouTube. But to be honest, if you comment directly on this YouTube's video, that's when you'll get the fastest reply. Since I'm not a social media guy, I don't stay glued on my WhatsApp every day. We have lots of investments to do. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please take this time to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on so that you'll be the first to watch any of my future uploads. And as I have said, I will show you a live trading example when using this strategy. So turn that notification bell icon on. Any day this week, I will post a video doing a live example on this strategy so that you may get more confidence when using this strategy. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.